you know that at a particular time of night, especially with Uber and Lyft nowadays, why people still have issues, it's because almost always they do not realize that 0.08 is almost nothing.
Right.
And they're trying to lower it. Utah lowered it to 0.05. 0.08 is almost nothing.
Right.
0.08 is 4 12-ounce beers.
Right.
And if you drank them within a 2-hour period, let's say a sporting event or tailgating, and you kept it at every half hour you had one.
Right.
If you didn't stop drinking and you drink more than that 4, and you went to 6 and 7 and 8 thinking, oh, it's been 4 hours, I'm good. I've been here since noon. Or I started tailgating at 9 this morning and it's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's the accumulation. It's so easy to hit 0.08. And most people say, I didn't feel drunk. I didn't feel tipsy.
Right. I feel fine.
You don't have to feel drunk or tipsy at 0.08. And oftentimes you won't. That's why people make the mistake of driving and then getting themselves arrested and not even realizing. But the good news is if you hire the right lawyer, they know that 0.08 is just a number and it doesn't matter. We can challenge the reliability of the number. It also is a presumptive intoxication number, but that does not mean you're intoxicated, because the law is there's a definition of intoxication. There's a definition of impairment. And that's how we fight those cases and often can win those cases too.
Do you have any general advice about a drink per hour or other than say, hey, take Uber or Lyft or get somebody else to drive?
That's the easy solution.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That is the easy solution.
If you go to Power and Light to watch a concert, get a hotel.
Yeah.
Or get an Uber and leave your vehicle, or Uber there and Uber back. That's what I've done.
Yeah.
The general rule, all I can say is you figure out your own body.
Right.
If you're a new drinker or you're a binge drinker or you're going out to get drunk, that's a different category. And those people need to plan to not have a car, plan to not have keys.
Right.
But those people who are like, I'm just going to go to, the plaza and have dinner and have a couple glasses of wine with my wife, or they're, going to the Chiefs game. You have to know your body, and whether you feel intoxicated or impaired or even tipsy doesn't matter. If you want to be really careful and cautious and save yourself thousands of dollars, thousands of dollars, because it's not just the lawyer fees. There's a lot of other financial expenses with the DWI and loss of driver's license.
Right.
But if you want to save yourself the heartache too, the headache of having a DWI, I can't even imagine how life-changing it is to be arrested and deal with the risk of I can't drive my kids to school, or the risk of I'm going to lose my CDL, lose my livelihood, all the risks that are involved. If you just say, okay, I drink 4 beers and I'm done, because the average body is going to take 1 12-ounce beer. That's your normal percentage here in Missouri. For the percentage of alcohol in the average beer. I'm not talking about those like Lime-A-Ritas that are 8% or a glass of wine that's even more. You have to really analyze, and our app does that for you. But there's tons of information on the internet about how to help you understand what type of alcohol could potentially lead to a 0.08. But generally speaking, for me anyway, I know my body, and I know that 2 martinis over 2 hours, I'm fine. 3rd martini, no.
Put you over the edge. Right.
3 glasses of wine, no.
Yeah.
2 glasses of wine over a 2-hour period, I'm fine.
Yeah.
4 beers over a 2-hour period, even probably a 5th beer in a 2-hour period, you're going to be okay. At least be below a 0.08, which is the goal, even though I've told you that it can happen that you get arrested anyway, unfortunately.
Right.
But knowing your body, understanding what you like to drink and what you're choosing to drink. I had a client tell me I drank 2 Long Island iced teas. I'm like, do you not know what's in a Long Island iced tea?
Maybe not.
Because that was a lot of alcohol.
Yes.
So you have to know your drink, understand what's happening. If you're at a bar where they give you a long pour because they know you and you're a regular, that's very different than going to Power and Light where there's less than an ounce of vodka in that martini.
Right. Exactly.